This untitled composition attempts to illustrate the principles of unity we have studied this semester. Firstly, it does this by the use of emphasis and visual hierarchy. The eye should be drawn to the large white circle in the middle of the composition, proceeding to the large petals that extend from it. From there, the viewer should look outward to observe the smaller repetitions of this pattern. The composition also reflects the ideas of scale and proportion by having the design of the smaller satellite objects mirror the design of the larger one. The objects are identical but for their size and color of their center, which the viewer is meant to notice. Balance is achieved through the positioning of each small object around the centerpiece. The small objects are placed in the four quadrants of the composition in relative balance with each other. It is not a perfect balance, however, reflecting the imperfection of all life. The composition focuses on the Gestalt design principles of repetition, symmetry, and order especially. As mentioned, the placement of the satellite objects is more or less symmetrical, and the design of each object is the same, just at different scales. Each object is balanced with the center and appendages extending in the same pattern. As a whole, unity is expressed in this composition by the colors, particularly the use of black and white. The center of the composition is colored white, being the sum of all colors. The black background was chosen because it is the absence of color. The red center of the satellite objects is meant to reflect a vitality coming from order, and the yellow petals meant to represent hope extending into the void.